Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll look at how we can connect to this Kali Linux machine from this Windows 10 machine securely using SSH. Now on this Kali Linux machine we need to make sure that SSH is enabled and it's running. We'll also need an IP address, a username and a password. So let's go ahead and open the terminal. Now to check whether SSH services are running, we'll use the command systemctl status SSH, and as you can see it's active and running. Now if SSH wasn't running, we can use the command sudo systemctl start SSH, and if it wasn't enabled, you can use enable SSH. Okay, the other thing we need is the IP address. The command to get the IP address is IP address. And the IP address for this Kali Linux machine is 172.16.1.104. With that information, let's go to the Windows 10 device. Now on the Windows 10 device, we can use the command prompt. We can use PowerShell, which doesn't require us to download or install any apps. We can also use apps like PuTTY if we needed something that we can customize. I'm gonna use command prompt here. So search for command prompt. And the first thing you can do is to make sure that the Kali Linux device is reachable via ping. You can do ping 172.16.1.104, and we're able to reach it. Now the command to connect using SSH is SSH, then the name of the user or the username, and then put the IP address 172.16.1.104. Press enter and you can say yes. You need the password for the user email, so put the password, and we are connected. You can do W, and you see here there's this session that's using SSH. If you go back here, it should show under the logs also. If I do systemctl status SSH, at the end here you see there's a log that was generated showing that password was accepted for the user email from this IP using SSH. Okay, we can also say journal ctl grep SSH. You can also see the same logs using journal ctl. Okay, the other method for using SSH is by downloading an app like PuTTY. So if we Google PuTTY download here, I can say here PuTTY download. So this is a free tool. You can go to putty.org, then just get the latest version. So I'll get this version right here. Okay, the download is complete. Check the downloads folder. There's PuTTY, just double click it to install it. So I already have it. It's saying if I want to repair it, so let's search for PuTTY. So let's search for PuTTY here. Cancel this. So this is PuTTY, and it has an option to use SSH, port 22. All you need to do is put in the IP address for the remote device for Kali Linux, the 104. And with this you can save the connection. You can also change some of the settings like the font and all that, the color. So once you have everything set up, just click open, accept, and then put in the username and the password. And I'm logged in using SSH again. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect to Kali Linux remotely and securely using SSH. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.